In August 2020, I am going to turn 50 years old, and I'm not waiting until my 50th birthday to start making some long overdue changes in my life. As a matter of fact, on my 49th birthday, I set some goals for myself, one of which was to really start getting back into shape and going to the gym regularly, and to lose some of the excess weight that I've accumulated over all these years, in large part through a sedentary lifestyle, which is very easy to do as an academic and as somebody who does a lot of his work behind a desk. So one of the ways that I'm trying to do that, other than going to the gym, is by using Healthy Wage, which is a website and an organization that allows you to bet on weight loss goals. That's what this is about. And I'm going to come right up front and tell you there's a Healthy Wage challenge that you can get in on if you want to. This is the last day for my particular challenge. If you want to use the link below and piggyback on my own weight loss goals, you get an additional $40 tacked on to your bet, and I get some tacked on to my bet if you join up. So if you're interested in doing that, then you might want to check out the link. Let me tell you why I'm doing it. I actually tried Healthy Wage 2 years ago in 2017, and I found that I wasn't able to get myself to the gym as regularly as I wanted to. We also had a lot of family and life issues going on. I was also teaching a lot, so the work-life balance wasn't working out, and I failed my challenge. And when you fail your challenge, you've put money into it. That's sort of the incentive that they've got for you going into it. You bet on yourself, and if you make your weight loss goal, then you get your money back and you get some other money tacked onto it. If you don't make your goal, it goes back into the kitty for all the other Healthy Wage people, which I'm fine with that. So around New Year's, they sent out a little challenge saying, well, do you want to try again? This is available to those who've lost their wager before. We'll tack on an additional amount to sweeten the deal. So I said, okay, I'm working out fairly regularly, not as much as I'd like to do, but 2020 is supposed to be the year where I actually do start doing that. So why not get in on it? And my particular goal for Healthy Wage is to lose 30 pounds over the course of 9 months. Entirely doable, provided I actually stick to what I'm supposed to do, which has to do in part with diet. The diet stuff, cut back on midnight snacks, eat a little bit healthier, maybe, some portion control. It's not like I can cut out drinking or anything, since I don't do much of that anyway. And then there's the exercise. I have been going to the gym fairly regularly and doing the weight circuit, which is great. I haven't actually lost any weight doing it, but I've replaced quite a bit of fat with muscle, and I already feel quite a bit better. But then I also have to add in cardio workouts and some yoga for flexibility and some other things as well. By the way, not looking for any health or fitness advice from anybody in the comments. I'm just telling you what I'm doing for that. And the goal for me is to get up to 5 to 6 regular workouts per week and to walk every day. I've done that in the past and managed to lose anywhere from 30 to 40 pounds when I did it in my late 30s, early 40s. So I'm pretty sure I can do it again, especially over the space of 9 months. The main reason I want to do that is not so much about looks or anything like that. I'm fortunate that I'm in a great relationship with a wife who likes me no matter how I look, right? I mean, it could be nice to be able to fit into my old suits and things like that, but I have clothes that fit all right. It's mostly about being healthy and feeling good and extending my life. This is a period where there's a fateful decision to make. If I don't really get the exercise down as an integral part of my life, well, then I can expect to have a shorter life. And since I want to enjoy my time with my family and friends and I want to make some contributions in my field, and I'd like to travel around and things along those lines, I really have to get serious about the exercise. So, Healthy Wage is a way to do that. I have other things that I do. Going to the gym is a little bit of me time where I get to listen to classic metal, so there's an incentive for me. I'm not yet at the point where workouts are actually fun. My wife, as I head off to the gym, will say, "Have a great workout." And in my mind, I'm thinking, great workout is a workout that's finished. And then when I come back, she says, "Was your workout good?" And I said, "It was a workout, so that's good." But it's getting better. And I do remember a time where I actually did enjoy working out, so I'm looking forward to that. So, all that said, if you, in this month when we typically make goals for the year ahead, want to get in on the Healthy Wage Challenge, I'm ponying up $50 a month, betting on myself that I lose 30 pounds, which is a little over 10% of my body weight in 9 months. If you want to make a bet on yourself, you can use the referral code below. Healthy Wage will give you a little boost onto your bet. They'll boost my bet as well. Just good for today, so if you're watching this video later on, that's already passed, but I think that it's a good thing to do anyway. So you might want to go check out the website just to see if it's something that you would like. And I may shoot some additional videos about health and working out and fitness along the line over the course of this year, depending on whether I make any progress or not, most likely, because if I don't, then I probably won't want to shoot videos on it. But, this is something that I think it's time to actually take seriously, more seriously than I've been taking it in the past, and to finally get myself not necessarily back into the shape that I was in my teens and 20s. That's probably an impossible goal, but at least good shape for somebody who is in the middle part of their life to try to turn this into what it used to be, the prime of one's life.